Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and initiating a quick reset. Plug the original cable into a known working USB port and charge for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You need minimal battery to respond. Once charging, press and hold the power button for 6 to 8 seconds to force a power cycle. Listen for LED flicker or vibration. If nothing happens, remove debris from the port and try a different cable and charger to isolate the problem. Once basic steps fail, move to an advanced reset and hardware check. Make sure the headset is off, then press and hold volume plus and power simultaneously for 5 to 8 seconds to trigger a factory reset. This clears pairing faults. Next, verify the charging supply with a multimeter or a known good cable and adapter. You want about 5 volts at the cable. Also inspect for physical issues. A swollen battery or loose internal connect. You finish by choosing repair or replacement based on findings. If the headphones are under warranty, contact support immediately with serial and purchase details. Do not open the unit. Once warranty is void, consider replacing the battery or the charging board. Follow a trusted teardown guide and test after each change. If the LED, switches, or power IC remain unresponsive, document exact symptoms and obtain professional motherboard-level repair. One tip: test with another battery or charger before spending on repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.